What's up guys, I am in Singapore. Once again back in the city for a layover. Tomorrow I'm going to Taiwan, but I had to do a layover here in Singapore. I'm gonna be sleeping here. Tonight we're gonna go get some street food in, explore a little bit of the city, even though I've been here multiple times, so I know exactly what it looks like, but it's always fun to be here. And tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. I have my flight for Taipei. So this is the plan for today. And now, let's find this hostel. Now, every time I come to Singapore, I feel poor. And that's why I am staying in a hostel tonight, because it was already pretty expensive. I think it was something like 25 euros per night for what I need just one night. I just need to drop my bag and sleep. It's more than enough. So here we have it, guys. That's the hostel. Let's go check in and let's catch up later. It's been a while since last time I was in a hostel. Do not miss it. On the road, I have been napping a little bit and working inside the hostel. But this is actually not the best hostel. There's no space for bags, they're just outside. Showers are in a weird place. The beds are instead of like I've never seen 3 levels before, so it's a little crazy. But I'm out now. I'm waiting for my friend Zad to come and pick me up with his bike. I'm gonna drive all the way to Gardens by the Bay. We're gonna have some street food later this evening. I haven't seen him in so long. It's pretty crazy. I cannot wait to see him. Guys, he's here.
Oh,
we're back together. He's got a little, 2 years when we met up in 2023. It's crazy, right?
Yep.
Yeah, but it's so good. That this is the best part of traveling. Like we met once, and we've been in touch on Instagram for so long, for the past few years. We'll be trying to catch up as well.
Yep.
You came to Italy. We couldn't meet up there because I was on like a completely different place, and then I came here again, and I had like a weird layover, so we couldn't meet up. And finally, this time we met up.
Finally.
But unfortunately, I'm gonna have him do some touristy stuff.
No problem. More than a pleasure to be around.
So this is your bike?
See.
I love this. This is a good space.
It's good utility.
It's already very helpful to us.
See.
So we're gonna jump on this and make our way to...
Helmet made in Italy.
Yeah? Which one is it?
Cupboard. It's Italian.
Oh yeah.
See.
Nice.
Right, shall we?
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm gonna be a little heavy.
No. Okay.
The helmet is a tad small for me, but we'll make it work for this time. Alright, let's go.
Hey, 8-hour flight, we just landed in Sorrento. Came a long way from smoking Nicks and rocking Echo. Sprinted to the helicopter room, make sure it's penthouse. 30 floors up, can see the world from out this window. Nicky threw the ball about 30 yards and never entered.
We made it to Gardens by the Bay, taking him to see the famous light show at the Flower Dome, the Super Tree Dome, whatever it's called. And we were just talking about how cool it is that it's open to the public.
It is, yeah.
And I just thought about something, and isn't it the best place to go on a first date?
It is.
Where do Singaporeans take girls on a first date? I feel like this is
Super Tree Grove, actually.
if this isn't the best place to get your first kiss.
Yes, agreed.
As expected, is pretty jam-packed with people. I was not expecting this many people, to be fair, but there is a lot, for sure. It looks so cool at night. I've only seen it during the day, so the show is beginning now. Everyone's sitting. I think we should sit as well and just enjoy the show on the floor. Pretty cool, right? So finally, after 2 years, I managed to see this. You know what happened the first time? I think either the day after I met you or 2 days later, I had a fever. So I couldn't live for 2 days. And then when I was a little better, I left Singapore. So I missed 2 full days and I couldn't see this. So
Here,
it took me
look
2
at it.
years.
Look at it. The whole thing.
Right, we enjoyed the show now. We're on our way to Lau Pa Sat for
That's it.
some dinner. I haven't had food the whole day, so we're gonna eat everything that is humanly possible at that street food market. How long is it gonna be? For like 5 minutes?
5 to 10 minutes by bike. It will be fast. We can just park at the corner, no problem.
Perfect. Let's do it then.
Yep, let's go.
Right, we made it. This is the famous Satay street. Is it just Satay on this street?
Yep. All it.
That's what we like. When we met, we were in Little India. I was looking for food and I just bumped into you and your family.
Yep.
And you guys ended up offering me dinner.
Yeah,
And I still remember. So tonight, dinner is on me.
No.
Absolutely. Everything we eat is on me tonight. And I wanna give it back. This is the main building. Wow, it's huge. Do you come here often?
Yep.
Yeah? So it's also like a local place.
Yes.
Awesome. So what do you suggest? What would be the something that I should try for sure?
Of course, the satay here, like the one we saw outside.
Yeah.
And then we can also have some chicken rice. We can also have some of the local
Hainanese chicken.
Chinese chicken rice. Yeah.
Okay.
Everything that you can look for is here.
All right. Let's dig in. Let's find something. Shall we start with the satay outside? Let's do it. So you know him?
High school friends.
No lah. Samaran je. Okay, so we'll clean this table up, you can say. So we'll get the table clean. There we go. All beef. Yeah.
Good choice.
So we have beef satay, 40 sticks, to rice cakes, the sauces. Under there's some cucumbers, like to freshen up the mouth.
This is like peanut sauce?
Peanut sauce, exactly.
Right, I'm looking forward to try this.
This is what you do. You dip it in the sauce. Right. Take the satay, you dip it in the sauce. And then
Once we get walking, my turn. Grab one. Good dip in the sauce.
yep.
Oh, it's so good. So good. This is like the classic satay taste. Like when you taste this, you know it's satay. It's so good. We need like double of this. But where's my beer?
Okay, order for me, yeah?
I've been waiting.
Yeah, sorry. Because sometimes don't have beer with the sorry, yeah?
Yours.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be the only one drinking beer tonight. So
Sorry.
I have to go through all of this. Alright, so what are we doing with the rice cake?
Okay, so what you do is satay.
We cut the rice cake in half and put in the rice cake. So you mix it up with the beef. So we do this, grab a bite, put the rice cake in the sauce. So good. It's a similar combination with just regular rice,
And meat, exactly.
which is the best combination, always. And this beef is so good. Right guys, we made it. We downed 40 skewers of beef. We didn't leave anything. How do you feel? Do you still have space? I didn't eat the whole day, but this was a lot. I was expecting to go back in and look for more food, but I feel like I only have space left for some dessert. So we'll go back in. We'll find something sweet and fresh. We'll still go for a ride. But yeah, I remember trying chendol in Malaysia. We found chendol at this hole. He's buying it, and then we're gonna find a place to try it. It's been a long time since last time I tried chendol. Let me see. Oh, this is how she makes it. She crushes the ice over there. That white, some of that green thing. red beans, and that more beans, more red beans. Right, let's go try it. We're gonna mix it, right?
Up to you.
No?
You can, yeah. what
Or you
can
grab
do-
a little bit of everything. 'Cause I
Yes.
feel like I saw that she put some liquid stuff on it.
So you can eat it both mixed and non-mixed. The syrup will go all over. That's the brown sugar.
Brown sugar,
Brown
but
sugar.
she put two things. One was the brown sugar,
Correct.
and the white thing that she put on top.
It's coconut milk.
Oh, that's the coconut milk. All right,
Try it out
let's go. I'll get one,
a little bit.
a little bit of everything. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's so good. I have to say, it looks ugly as fuck,
Yeah,
but it's good. The only problem of it is that it looks ugly,
ugly. It looks ugly, it does. Yeah.
but it's so good. The coconut milk, it's the best part of it. It adds so much flavor.
The creaminess to it. When the liquid is melted, together with the coconut and the syrup, it goes quite well.
It's pretty much a soup now, like a cold soup.
But it's so good.
Done with the food. My touristy tour is finished, but Zad is gonna take me to this place by the river I've never been to. Let's go check it out. I don't have any other plans for tonight, so I think it's gonna be good to end the night in a chill location before going back to that horrible hostel. I don't know if you can hear me with the helmet, but this is also my first time experiencing Singapore on a bike. Usually when you come here as a tourist, you always take the MRT, the station, so you're always underground. And I have to say it's pretty cool to travel Singapore on a bike. So
Okay, Prego.
let's go check out more of Singapore.
So this is Boat Quay. Boat Quay is where like the heart of Singapore, whereby this was where trade was done 200 years ago. So as you can see, right now we have banks, a marker of our trade on the right, and of our heritage on the left and on the northern bank. You can see the Asian Civilization Museum over there. That used to be our parliament. And then the green building over there used to be our Supreme Court. So this is at the heart of economic, politics and social life. This is where the shop houses used to be, and now it's restaurants, great bustling businesses over here. So this is, I would say, the best representation of the basics of Singapore and what we've become. And if you turn, this is what we are. Business.
It's such a mixture of things you have all around here, and it's so beautiful as well. It's obviously, like, I want to say it again, the clean, it's like the top thing here, and it just looks safe, which is super important as well. Would you say that if someone would come here at 3 a.m. in the night, would you think this place still be safe?
Definitely. 100%. If you're a man or a woman, anything, you'll be fine. Yeah.
I think we need to find a place to sit so that I
Sure.
can ask you a question, because this camera is heavy as hell.
Oh my god, it's like continuously heavy. So
Yeah, now try holding this for like 1 minute. Let me know when your delts start to feel
it's
in pain.
definitely painful, of course. Yeah, but I mean, thank you, Alessandro, for like following me. But look at that. This is my hometown, and it's a pleasure for me to share it with you. Right, Alex?
Yeah, vlog takeover.
It's heavy as fuck.
So you told me that you went to Switzerland to study. You were able to experience Europe, right, a different place. So my question to you is, would you move somewhere else, or would you stay here, and why? If you'd stay here, what's so good about Singapore?
I've told both my family and my friends that I would move away from Singapore if I'm offered something that is more than I have here. For example, if I'm offered like a good paying job or a future in my career, something that is tangible, something that's luxurious, sure. But other than that, I'm not saying my hometown is perfect. Of course not. No one's hometown is perfect. But it has beautiful things that nowhere else has it. Like safety. I think that's the most important. Safety, basic foods are quite cheap. I won't swap it for anything else. Of course, other places got good food too. Like Italy has nice food. But yeah, Singapore will still be my choice.
Yeah, I think safety is definitely one of the main thing
Definitely.
in general, because like I know on the reason why I mentioned Italy is he's been to Italy and he didn't feel safe there, and I don't feel safe, especially in places like Milan. It's really bad right now, and it's just not comparable. And it's not just Singapore, because obviously here is like you come here, you see it's a rich place, you think that it's clean because of money and everything, but it's, I don't want to generalize too much and say everywhere in Asia, but in most part of Asia, if you go to Bangkok, you feel safe as well at night. Maybe here is more like very safe pretty much everywhere. In places like Bangkok, a little less, but it's still much safer than Italy. The more time I come here to Singapore, the more I like this place, and I feel like I would like to live here. But also it's very expensive. That's the downside of it.
I guess Singaporeans, they work hard. We're not all rich, but we know that our surroundings are expensive. So we work hard, try to feed our children, try to feed our family. Not me, the generation before me. And this responsibility will befall onto me later. So when the time comes, I'll enjoy my life, being single.
Right, I do think this is probably another of those spots for dates. Maybe you get here your first kiss. Where did you get your first kiss?
First kiss,
The one at school doesn't count.
I think one of it, if I'm not wrong, was here.
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 Well, you got at least one here, so that's the proof. You travel to Singapore and you go on a Tinder date, you just come here, guys. Wait, what were you saying?
Okay, so this is, the name of the place is called Padang. So right here we have the arts house at the old parliament. So it's our old parliament building that has been converted into like a museum. And then behind we have our like Victoria Theatre. It's like a place where used to be held like a lot of theatrical shows, operas. And then we have the Recreation Club, if I'm not wrong. And we have the Supreme Court right here.
I was just telling him that walking around this area, it feels like we're on a movie set because everything is clean, it's perfect, and it literally just feels fake. Look at the ground. All right, hold this. I'm gonna prove you that it's clean. I'm gonna lick the floor. No, I'm not. But I could. I'm just not gonna do it. It's time to go back to the hostel now and call it a night. Back at the hostel and the end of the night. Thank you, man. It was really good. Always a pleasure. It was a really nice night. I really enjoyed it. I had so much fun. Showed me a lot of places that I've never seen. So it's pretty cool. Thank you.
Picture.
All right, it's time to go hit the bed in that shithole over there. Okay, guys, Zad is just leaving over there. And it's finally time to end this video. It's 11, time for me to go to bed. Tomorrow waking up at 6:30 a.m. going to the airport on my way to Taiwan. So yeah, time to go to bed and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.